So hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make my special chicken. So for that you need to make we need yogurt, ginger garlic paste and spices. I will show you the spices. The spices are corn flour, turmeric, garam masala and chilli. Then we should also add salt. Now we should mix it well. Now it's almost fully mixed. Now we are frying it now. We have to fry it on low flame. Then we should go flip. This is also very tasty and you can use it for a lot of things. It's very tasty and delicious and I made it before also. Now when it turns ready, it will be ready to be served. Now it's going to be ready to be served. Now we have to fry for a little bit. Now it's very ready to be served.